cool fast internet. Alright guys, what is up? This video is going to be kind of an unboxing of my P28 ECU with the Hondata. It's already unboxed because I was going to kind of do like a little setup for it as well to kind of get a little rundown. I only saw one video that kind of had this, maybe two, but nothing too much, so I'm going to be kind of going along the way for you and we're going to see what happens. So first thing what you want to do is unbox everything, of course. This is going to be my ECU, the Hondata S300. Comes with all the necessary stuff. I'm going to have to look into these later. A USB cable, which I'll need. My ECU transfer harness, because it's an OBD2, so this is a pretty OBD2 to OBD1. Right there. So, you want to take your ECU out. Alright, and you'll want to download the Smanager, which you'll just go to Hondata software, hondata.com/software, which you can literally just type in Hondata software on Google, and it's about the first thing that's going to pop up. Download that guy right there. Once you download that guy, a little icon will pop up. Boop, boop. And you can get your ECU ready. Alright, so this is pretty much the screen that'll come up. A couple little windows might be different, but this is pretty much the main stuff. I accidentally clicked display when I was messing around and then this guy popped up. So when you first click it, your ECU will not be plugged in or anything. This will be your S100 map. It'll just kind of look like this, blank, saying S300, because it is not plugged in. So go ahead, get the cable, I'll plug it in. And then the other side, plug in right here. Bam. Alright, so then now a little menu will pop up. This is pretty much your menu for your S300. I almost said SC300, that's kind of funny. But anyways, this is your menu. So once you do this, you'll want to click over to this tab to click registered owner. I already did that, so it's going to show my information, which I'm trying to avoid. And then right at the bottom, so then after you fill out your information, it will pretty much be update register your S300. So once you click that, then you'll be pretty much good to go. So since I already registered it, I have no calibration, stock D16. So pretty much the map that's kind of loaded in right now, I think, is stock D16. I'm assuming this is going to be for probably a Y8 or a Z6 head, which I do not have. I only have a Y5, so I don't think this will technically work. But my plan is to try and find a Y5 map and try and use this, but I will explain more about all this in a second. But pretty much that's it. Once you get this, you will just have to go to your map, which will be right over here. You click. Oh. Yes. So when you click your new calibration right there, a little menu will pop up, which will basically display all the different types of motors. There's supercharged, turbo, B18s, D16s, H22s, all that fun stuff. Now I have a kind of a weird red-headed stepchild motor, a G16 Y5, so I guarantee I'm not going to find my motor on there. There are D16A1 engines tuned, 92, 95 D16, which I'm assuming that's probably what I have right now. That's what I had. I don't know what this A1 is. I'm gonna have to look more into that. So I'm not too sure. So pretty much once you guys click this and you find yours, you click OK, and you can kind of go from there. That is where I'm going to leave it off for right now, because I'm going to explain a couple more things in a second about what my plan is for this Hondata. But for people watching just for basically registering your Hondata, that's pretty much all you need to do. Once you load your map up, you are kind of ready to rock so far. I will have more videos on in-depth on how loading on my maps and all this stuff, so if you guys want to follow along, please subscribe, because I will be trying to do this all mostly myself to get the car at least over to a shop to tune it better, to show me a little more, and then next will be fuel system and all that, but I will explain all that in a second. But for all y'all, alright guys, what is up? Pretty much this is going to be explaining what my plan is for where my direction of kind of where this channel is going to be going. My plan has changed a little bit for the Honda. I'm going to kind of pull back a little bit more on autocross, full autocross, and kind of go more turbo. My plan is, I kind of always wanted a turbo car, so this is kind of where my plan is going to go. This guy was the starting piece of the puzzle to getting that thing going. I feel this is kind of one of the most important parts of the vehicle, because this is pretty much the brain of the car. A lot of people are going to go, why did you get Hondata and a brand new ECU and all this stuff for a stock car and all this shit, blah blah blah, this is kind of dumb, you're dumb. I want to learn my software first, so I feel I don't want to get held back by a tuner or a shop and kind of get ripped off, or kind of not know where the fuck I'm going and I have to go to a shop every time and rely on them every time I go and get anything done on my car. I feel if I learn this a little bit better, anything I change on my car will just become easier. My plan is to get this set up, kind of getting it running on the Y5 head if I can. If I can't, I'm going to do a mini-me swap and pretty much just do a mini-me swap with the Y8 head. Then I should be able to kind of swap this guy over pretty quickly and then go from there and probably turbo it. But while I'm doing the swap on the head, I'm probably going to do ARP head studs and probably a better head gasket. Probably an aftermarket one, and I'm going to do a Gates timing belt and all that pretty much make it nice. If I can get away with this Y5, I am going to boost it and go see what I can do. I'm not going to go balls to the wall. I'm probably only going to do 6 pounds to kind of learn the car a little bit more and go from there. I'm probably still going to do some suspension stuff, a little bit more cosmetic as well. I want to get a better bumper and some headlights as well. Maybe an SIR conversion, I don't know, we'll see. But I feel this is a pretty much an important part, so if you guys want to help me out or anything, I'm kind of new to this Hondata stuff, so if you have any tips or pointers, please let me know. Any direction or anything, advice I should need, that'd be awesome. That would definitely help me out. If not, oh well, I guess tell me what I'm doing wrong, but we'll see what happens. My plan is to try and learn this software, get this car kind of running on Hondata, so I can actually get my gauges and monitor the car a little better too. Probably I'll be ordering an oil pressure gauge and wideband soon. Probably an AM wideband for sure. I'll get legit on that. Probably a glow shift fucking oil pressure gauge, because they're not that bad. So we'll go from there, and if you guys like this, please like, comment, subscribe on this. Let me know what my plan is. As far as the bike, it's going to be kind of a little right-hand turn. Some shit happened that I'm not too happy about, but we'll see what happens and see where these 2018 cards lay. That is my plan, so please like it if you guys. Let me know what you think, and yeah.
I'm feeling really blah blah. 1, 2 blah